In this video, we're going to share our Hawaii experience and 5 things you should know before you go.
What was your overall experience like?
I think that was one of the things that I liked the most, was just seeing how everyone was having their own kind of fun. You know, you have people that are enjoying the shopping, you have people who are glued to the beach, you have those others who are in the restaurants trying all the food.
I can't resist this place. We ate here last night, and oh my god, this poke bowl, guys. So the first thing that you should know is, if you haven't already, plan your trip in advance. I would say a month or 2 in advance. If you want to do like some luau's, go to like the Jurassic World ATV tour, you want to plan those things early. If you haven't already, if you're about to go, then it's okay, because we didn't plan in advance. We just came here and we were just like, we're gonna take it one day at a time, and we're gonna see what every day brings.
So today we are having a lot of exploration fun. We started the day off with a run on the beach, and then we had a slight photo shoot on the beach, which was a lot of fun. Now we're here at the Honolulu Zoo.
Looks like we're headed to the strip. So much to do on this strip. You'll spend all your money right here.
That's the second thing, because know that you're going to spend money here. It's like by default expensive here. All of the prices are high for everything. So just know before you come here that it is expensive and you're going to spend money.
The weather is amazing. It's dang near perfect. It's been 78 to like 82 degrees the entire time, with an amazing breeze. If you're thinking or wondering how should you pack right now, like I was, pack light. Show your skin and your body some love. If you plan to have like a relaxing vacation, get up early. Go get a bike. Do some sightseeing on your own. You don't need a tour guide. You don't need to spend a lot of money. This island is beautiful enough to where you don't have to do a tour. You can just sit on the beach all day, watch the sunrise, watch the sunset. We've done that a couple times.
Oh my gosh, those sunsets are so beautiful, and they're different every single night.
The fourth one, take time to learn and appreciate the Hawaiian history.
True story, when I was about 7, 8 years old, I came out here with my friends for the first time to come swim, body surf, whatnot. I got hit by a wave. I got hit so hard that I got taken under the water. I didn't know where up or down was. I started drowning.
A lot of notable movies were filmed here, such as 50 First Dates.
It's a tree that Drew Barrymore bangs into, y'all remember?
All the Jurassic Parks. And
yeah, it's Jurassic Park.
Godzilla vs. Kong.
Right here. See where his driveway is? This is Casa Del Mar on the right-hand side. That's where you're right. Yeah. Actually, that's not his house. Look behind the gates. You said a bigger house in the back?
Yeah.
That's his house.
Wow.
This one in the front is his housekeeper's house.
What?
Exactly. We talk about Bill Gates now, guys. Okay? This guy has billions of dollars. You can tell it's his house because of the windows and the gates. Yeah, got you that one, huh? You like that, huh? Yeah. But no, all jokes aside, that really is his house.
Another tip that I would give is just have fun.
That's so important.
There are people from all over the world. Do not be the grump in paradise. All right, so we're at the macadamia nut farm. So it's only right that we try these with you. Major shout out to my big brother. He took us to Pearl Harbor. That was probably the highlight of the entire vacation for me. So today is our last full day here. We don't know, yeah, sad.
Stay for at least 5 to 7 days if you can, if possible. Let that be your time frame, because by day 3, that's when you're just starting to settle in. It takes a little while for you to adjust to the time, depending on where you're coming from. So I would just say stay 5 to 7 days.
Yeah, sad. We don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet. All we know is we want to go to Leonard's. Just trust us on this one. When you visit, go to Leonard's.
Malasadas. They are so good.
That's perfect. It's not too sweet. Like, I know you see the sugar, but it's not too sweet at all. And if you can't remember what that is, just watch this video again. Good morning, everybody.
Hiya.
Our last few hours in Hawaii. Just about to go on this hike and then head to the airport. So originally, guys, we were gonna do this yesterday afternoon, but then one of the locals, they got us smart on this trail. They said, do not do this trail during the day. You wanna come when it's cool. So either in the evening, but it was closed, so we couldn't do that, or early in the morning. So got up at like 5 this morning. Now we're on the trail. And how does it feel, baby?
Feels good. I'm tired already.
You're killing it. Such a nice way to end your trip here. You get to see the island from a all new perspective. A lot of steps. Let's go inside the tunnel. I need a hike quote right now. Something along the lines of, it's not about the destination, rather it's about the climb. The climb is where all the experience happens, where you get to sweat, you get to lose your breath, whether by fatigue or just beautiful sights. It's breathtaking.
This is so much fun. It's just so beautiful.
Once you get to the pinnacle, that's the end. Then you have to go back down. But you meet some incredible people during the climb. Unforgettable memories is during the climb. Never rush to get there, because it's lonely at the top.
being interested in the content that we put out here. We also really want to encourage you to talk to each other in the comments, because we're all about community here. And make sure you come back and make sure you invite somebody, and you invite people by sharing. So we'll see y'all next time.